my tips with you guys. The first thing I always do when I go to clean a room is take the sheets and blankets off, toss them out so that they can be washed, and put all the things that are spread out all over the floor on the bed. I don't know about you, but I always found the most random things in this girl's room. Those were bath bombs that she put in some random paper crown. Once I pick everything up, it's time to vacuum. I don't like putting things away and organizing unless the floor's clean. I have this random thing that I got from, I can't even remember, some sort of all-natural cleaning cloth. I'm not overly impressed. Here, I am scrubbing marks off the wall where she marked her own height and the height of her stuffed animals. I have to find a good system for her hair bows because she legitimately takes each and every one of them and attaches it to some random toy, or she colors on them, so rendering them useless. Right now I toss them in a 31 bucket and we'll see how long that lasts. But if you guys have any ideas for organization for hair stuff, drop it in the comments below. I have completely given up on the thought of folding clothes. I just am going to just try to lie them in there neatly as best as I can, because folding tiny people's clothing only for them to pull it out and trash it is completely pointless. Still trying to figure out where to hang that. I'll get there, but the closet's done, the room is organized, and I cannot tell you how good it feels to have a fresh start in here.